Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create strategy using Supertrend and VWAP. Our strategy is very simple. For CE order, the Bank Nifty should be trading up below, for CE order, the Bank Nifty should be trading above VWAP and Supertrend and should reach near Supertrend to place order. Okay. And for P order, the Bank Nifty should be trading below Supertrend and VWAP, and it should reach near Supertrend to place order P order. Okay, let us create this strategy. Okay, so here is our strategy. Our first condition is close of Bank Nifty Bank Nifty future should be above Supertrend. Okay, and Bank Nifty current LTP, that is Bank Nifty close, should be above Supertrend. And third condition is Bank Nifty minus Supertrend. The difference between Bank Nifty and the Supertrend value should be below 20. And the Bank Nifty future should be above VWAP. And if all these condition is satisfied, we will place buy order. That means CE order. Okay. Copy this and here paste it here. Select ITM C here and click buy C. Okay, strategies added. This is for C. Okay. For P, the Bank Nifty should be trading below Supertrend and Bank Nifty future close should be below Supertrend, and Supertrend minus Bank Nifty LTP should be less than or equal to 20, and Bank Nifty future should be below VWAP. If all these condition is satisfied, we will place P order. Okay, I will give the strategy information in the comments. Okay. Here ITMP by P. Okay. P strategy also it has placed order because it is already below Supertrend and it is near Supertrend and it is also below our VWAP. Okay, so it has placed order. And we can also add other indicators like trending OA along with this because okay, trending OA here you just select Bank Nifty and trending OA. You can say the format here, just add this and you can see the value here. We just copy this and add along with this indicator, and this is for CE, right? So trending OA of Bank Nifty greater than 25 lakhs for CE, and for PE trending OA of Bank Nifty should be less than or equal to less than minus 25. Okay, if it is less than minus 25 lakh, we will go for PE, and if it is greater than 25 lakh, we will go with C. Okay. So I will remove the existing strategy and I will add this one. Okay, or C, and this one for P. Okay, added. You can also enable this option because it can help you to exit the order after 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, if I enter 3 here, after 3 minutes of order placement, it will automatically exit the order. Okay. Here we have not set the exit scenario. Okay, exit condition is not, we have not set the exit condition. Our exit condition is closer Bank Nifty should be less than Supertrend or closer Bank Nifty should be less than VWAP. If either of these condition is satisfied, I will exit the position. Okay, so our exit condition is also, and it is exited because we have set auto exit after 3 minutes. Okay, that's why it has exited. Otherwise we can use this condition like for P order. If it has closed above our VWAP or super trend, we will exit. Okay, okay, this is for sell P. Okay, buy P, sorry, exit C. Okay, exit C is added. Next, for exit PE, this one is the exit PE condition. That means if the close is greater than super trend or close is greater than VWAP, we will exit the order. Okay, PE exit. Okay, repeating. Okay, repeat is also enabled. So exit after 5 minutes. Maximum 5 minutes. I will hold a position. Okay. After that, it will automatically exit, no matter whether we are in profit or we are in loss. I hope you all understand how to automate strategy using VWAP and Supertrend. If you have any queries, feedbacks, or suggestions, please let me know in comments. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.